Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer cash with Google Pay, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Pay app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Grant necessary permissions for location and notifications. On the app's home screen, tap on the search bar or the Pay button. Select whether you want to send money to a contact or a phone number. If sending to a contact, search for their name or number in your contacts list. For manual entry, type in the phone number or email of the recipient. Once you've selected or entered the recipient, tap on Next. Enter the amount of cash you wish to transfer. You can also add a note describing the payment if needed. Tap on Send to proceed with the transaction. Next, choose your preferred payment method, like your bank account or debit card. If it's your first time, you may need to link your bank account or card. Follow the prompts to link your payment method securely. Confirm the details of the transaction before proceeding. If everything looks correct, tap on Send again to finalize the transfer. You may then need to authenticate the transaction with a PIN or biometric verification. Once confirmed, you'll see a notification that the payment has been sent. You can check your transaction history in the app for further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.